A very good morning to all of you. I am Anshul Sharma, your biology teacher, and in this video tutorial we are going to discuss the third type of simple permanent tissue, and the name is sclerenchyma. A quick recapitulation: the tissues are the group of cells that are specialized to perform a function, and that is why they look similar in structure. The tissues on the basis of occurrence can be grouped into two categories. The tissues of plants are called plant tissue and tissues of animals are called animal tissue. Now, depending upon the division capacity, the plant tissue can be grouped into two categories: meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. The permanent tissue, whether they are made up of single type of cell or they are made up of different types of cells, on the basis of this criteria, they are divided into two categories: simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. The simple permanent tissues are those plant tissues that are made up of single type of cells. They include parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. We have discussed about the parenchyma and collenchyma in the previous videos. Now we are going to discuss the third type of simple permanent tissue, that is sclerenchyma. As it is a simple permanent tissue, that means it is made up of a single type of cells. Have you ever seen some of the hard parts of the plant, like the nuts that you eat, पिस्ता या बादाम का खोल कभी आपने देखा हो? हार्ड कवरिंग ऑफ सम सीड्स, कुछ सीड्स ऐसे होते हैं इनकी कवरिंग बहुत हार्ड होती है. कभी आम की गुठली आपने देखी हो तो इट हैज़ अ हार्ड कवरिंग. एंड हस्क ऑफ कोकोनट, जो कोकोनट है आप मार्केट से परचेज करके लाते हो, उसके ऊपर जो कवरिंग होती है, जो उसका हस्क है, दे आर वेरी हार्ड इन अपीयरेंस, दे आर वेरी टफ, दे आर वेरी स्टिफ. They are hard, tough and stiff, and all these hard, stiff and tough part of the plants contain a simple permanent tissue that is called sclerenchyma. So this occurrence of this tissue represents us that sclerenchyma is a tissue that makes plant hard and stiff. Now we will discuss the sclerenchyma under the similar heading that we have discussed in the collenchyma and parenchyma. What is the location of sclerenchyma? कहाँ मिलता है प्लांट बॉडी में? इसकी सेल्स किस तरह की हैं, लिविंग हैं या डेड हैं? सेल वॉल किस तरह की है? ये टिश्यू, ये सेल्स के बीच में इंटरसेल्युलर स्पेस है या नहीं है? एंड लास्टली, व्हाट इज़ द फंक्शन परफॉर्म्ड बाय द sclerenchyma? So sclerenchyma is found in hard parts of the plant, like the covering of nuts, covering of hard seeds, husk of coconut. It is also found around the vascular bundles in stem. So if you cut a section of a stem, you will see the vascular bundles are there, and around these vascular bundle the sclerenchyma is present. So sclerenchyma in a stem found around the vascular bundle, that is a xylem and phloem. We will discuss about them in the further in this chapter. And it is also found around veins of leaf. जो पत्ती है उसकी जो वेन्स हैं, वेन्स यू नो, अगर आप इस तरीके से एक पत्ती को ड्रॉ करते हो, सो यू हैव अ मिड रिब एंड देन उसके बाद इससे वेन्स निकलती हैं. सो इफ़ आई कट अ सेक्शन ऑफ अ लीफ एंड आई ऑब्जर्व, सो इन दिस सेक्शन दिस इज़ द अपर एपिडर्मिस, लोअर एपिडर्मिस, हियर इज़ द वेन दैट इज़ कटेड. सो अराउंड दिस वेन the sclerenchyma tissue is also present. So it is present in the hard parts of the plant, and it is also found around the vascular tissue. It is found around the veins of the leaf. The cells of sclerenchyma are dead. They are not living cells, and the cell wall of the cells of sclerenchyma is very thick. It is that much thick कि सेल के अंदर कैविटी ही नहीं बचती. That means this is the cell wall, and you can see it is much thick, and due to this thickness of the cell wall there is no cavity inside the cell. सेल के अंदर कैविटी बहुत छोटी सी रहती है, और you can say there is no internal space inside the cell of the sclerenchyma. Here you can see the diagram of the sclerenchyma. यहाँ पे आप डायग्राम देख रहे हो. This is the cell wall, and cell wall is greatly thick. Cell wall बहुत ज़्यादा thick है. Now question arises, why the cell wall of the cells of sclerenchyma is very thick? ऐसा क्यों होता है कि sclerenchyma की सेल्स की सेल वॉल बहुत थिक है? बिकॉज द सेल वॉल ऑफ sclerenchyma हैज़ अ केमिकल दैट इज कॉल्ड लिग्निन. and this lignin act as a cementing material that adhere the cells of sclerenchyma with each other. It act as a cement to adhere the cells with each other and to provide strength to the cells को strength provide करने का भी काम करता है. So here you can see this is the cell wall. There are some place in the cell wall where the lignin is absent. These places are known as the, here you can see this is a cell wall. There are some places when the lignin is absent. These are the places where the lignin is absent. They are called pits. And you can see the lumen of the cell. That means the cavity of cell is very small due to the thickening of the cell wall. There is no intercellular space present in between the cells of the sclerenchyma. And now lastly, the function of a sclerenchyma. As you know, these cells have very thick cell wall. That is why they are very hard, and because they are hard and stiff, so they are responsible for making different part of plant hard and stiff, and they are also responsible to provide the mechanical support. आप समझ सकते हैं कि प्लांट का तना स्ट्रांग नहीं होगा, हार्ड नहीं होगा, तो वो कैसे इरेक्ट स्टैंड कर पाएगा. अगर किसी सीट के ऊपर सीट कोट हार्ड नहीं होगा तो वो कैसे जो इन्वायरमेंटल कंडीशंस को रजिस्ट कर पाएगा. सीट को नुकसान हो सकता है, प्लांट को नुकसान हो सकता है. देयर आर सम डेलिकेट पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट एंड दे आर गेटिंग मैकेनिकल सपोर्ट बाय द sclerenchyma tissue. In sclerenchyma tissue, the cells could be in two form. They could be in the form of fibers. They are called sclerenchyma fibers, and they could be in the form of sclerites. So these are the two different forms of sclerenchyma tissue that you will discuss in higher classes. They can occur in two forms, sclerites and the fiber form. So this is all about the sclerenchyma tissue, the last simple permanent tissue found in the plant. We will discuss about the epidermal tissue in the next video. Thank you very much.